By now, you may have already used ChatGPT's new feature that converts your regular photos into Ghibli art style photos. But did you know that you can convert those photos into videos as well? In this video, we are going to do exactly that. I'm going to test out 3 websites that can easily let you convert your Ghibli art style photos into videos, and that too free of cost. Let's dig in. I have already converted one of my photos into Ghibli art style photo, and I'm using the free version. There is a limit. You can convert only 2 images within 24 hours. So it's that. If you're using Plus subscription, then you can convert more images. 2 images per day is good enough for a lot of people who just want to create photos for their personal use. If you're one of them, this is how you can go one step further and convert any of your photos into videos without much effort and without paying anything. So I have got this photo saved on my computer. First website is Kling AI. Although it's a subscription-based website, they also have a free tier. The free tier allows you to create videos from photos or from prompts as well, but it's quite slow. You have to wait for an hour or so to get your image because there is a long queue for people who are using the free version. Okay, so now I am signed into Kling AI. Let's go to video, and then here make sure that you are on image to video, not text to video. You have to drag and drop your photo which you have saved from ChatGPT, let it upload, and give your prompt. Since you are using a trial version, your trials are limited, you get limited AI credit, so don't experiment. Just write simple prompts such as make the people look at each other and smile. Zoom out. I am so sorry, I messed up big time. I recorded the whole video, and when I started editing it, the footage did not have audio at one point. So I'm recording it again. I've already used these websites, but I will walk you through what I have done. I wrote this prompt and pressed on generate button. This Kling AI takes 20 credit for one output, which is 5 seconds. So keep it as it is, because if you experiment, you're going to waste credits. Also write simple prompts. Don't put 10 seconds because this website already takes a lot of time. You are in a queue for a long time. So make sure you do only 5 seconds and don't experiment. When I pressed on this, my wait time was 55 minutes. And now it's only 13 minutes left before we get the output. Moving on to the second website, I opened runwayml.com. The interface is like Kling AI. On the left hand side panel, you get the option to select image to video, and then you land on this page where you can upload your photo, write a prompt. I copy pasted my prompt because I want it to be as simple as possible. I clicked on generate. This also gives you 5 seconds of output and 10 seconds of output. I have kept it at default and pressed on generate button. Once I clicked on generate button, it only took me 1 minute to get this video, which is not that bad, but it did not follow the proper instructions. I added a smooth zoom out effect, moving away from the people, but it added a pan from right to left. It looks nice because people are seeing each other and smiling. Not all the people, but at least 2 people are seeing each other and smiling. That's good enough. Although you get a small watermark on the bottom right hand side, which you can easily crop out in editing software. You can download this video on your computer by pressing this button. Runway ML gives you the fastest output within a minute, while Kling AI had to wait for 55 minutes. It will vary depending on when you are using and what type of video or prompt you have used, but approximately 1 hour to 50 minutes. Third website is Hailuo AI. You get limited credits in the free version, and you can upload your image here. You can write a prompt and then click on the generate button. Make sure the quantity is 1, and once you click on generate, your 30 credits will be used. This website takes somewhere from 15 to 30 minutes. This prompt took 17 minutes exactly to convert the photo from video, and it followed the prompt nicely. As you can see, there is a zoom out effect added and characters are looking at each other and smiling. Hailuo AI followed the prompt accurately and took 17 minutes to give me the output. Back to Kling AI, which I used first. It said that you are in a queue. It will take 55 minutes to create that image. So I will have to wait for another 7 minutes. Okay, so finally, Kling AI has also generated the photo into video. It took a little more than 55 minutes because when the 55 minutes were done, it took a few more minutes to generate this image. Now let's play and see how it has performed. Okay, so this also added a zoom effect. People are looking at each other, smiling. Not just smiling, they are also talking to each other like a candid moment. But the zoom out is not as smooth as it should be. I think the best job is done by Hailuo AI, where the zoom out is pretty smooth and there is a candid moment as well. So overall, Hailuo AI is best, but the fastest is Runway ML, which took less than 1 minute. In comparison to both of these other websites, Runway ML wins hands down, but in quality, Hailuo AI wins. This can be subjective, so I will put all these three results on the screen in front of you so that you can decide yourself which output is the best output as per the prompt. So this is how you can turn your Ghibli-style photos into videos, or any type of photos into videos, using these three websites. You can pick any one of them or even try all of them, because you can sign up for free and use the free credits to turn your photos into videos. I hope you find this useful. If you did, you can hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care.